Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on the Northwestern University website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in northwestern.edu/myhr and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Northwestern, in which you will find the MyHR login button. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in your user ID within the Net ID section, and then type in your account password within the password box. After entering both of these credentials, click on the login button, and you will be logged into your account on Northwestern HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Help with Login Problems and you will be allowed to reset your credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account on the Northwestern University website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.